And this is my flax seeds in the water after 4 hours. I think I put a little bit more water. You can put less water if you want. And if you mix it, you see the water is a little bit like a glue that we want to happen. And that we're gonna use it. I'll show you now how we're gonna use it. And now you put a little bit with your hands some water and you put on your face. Yes, all over, and your neck also, to all your face. I feel a little bit like a glue to be this water, this face mask with flax seeds. If you see, you're gonna notice after that your skin is gonna be lighter, more lighter, and to start to stretch your skin. That's mean is natural lifting, face lifting with this mask. So I get this water and put it neck and face. My hair, my red hair. Yeah. And after, you're gonna leave it on your skin, on your face, about 20 minutes. And after, you're gonna clean up with warm water. And before you use that, again, you clean your face with warm water to be clean your face. And after, you put this mask all over to your face. So, yeah, I think I put enough. Yeah. Now I'm gonna left it to dry, and to get this mask. So I put this face mask, this liquid all over my face, and now they dry. They smell a little bit the flax seeds, but it's okay. And now gonna leave it like this for half an hour, and after gonna clean up with warm water. And if you feel that your skin stretch, it's natural, because this liquid from flax seeds make your make it it's make natural face lifting, so gonna be okay. Yeah.